All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's try this. We're going to do these things right here. Oh, man. Little tricky, too. Hold on, let me check something real quick because I just want to make sure that you have been assigned all of these problems. Let's check. Here, I'll move it over here. That way we can take a look. Let's see here. Oh, man, all four. Look at that. It's true. All four of them have been assigned. Okay, well, let's do it. Let's do it, shall we? Let's start with this first one. It says this is 12 degrees. Oh, man. And we have to find everything else. We're going to find all the missing angles. We're going to find X. We're going to find Y and Z. Dang. I remember doing this problem. It's a little tricky at first. And then I realized that that little angle, I don't know if you can see where I put that little dot right there. That's 58. So what we actually have is we have a triangle right here. 12 and 58, so that's going to be 180 minus 58 plus 12. So that's 70, right? So 110 degrees. So that's 110 degrees right there. Yeah, okay. Now, let's see here. Y and Z. Well, that's going to be a little tricky too. Let's see here. I remember doing this one, and now I'm a little stuck. So let me think about this real quick. That's 58. Angles that lie in a chord. No, it wouldn't be that. Let's see, 58. I'm thinking. Hold on. Don't lose faith in me yet. Man, we can figure this out. I just did this one too a couple days ago. And that's kind of how these go. Sometimes you see the answer right away, it just jumps out at you, and then other times it doesn't. And that's just kind of the nature of it. That's just the way it goes. Let's see, 58. That one's 58. And there's got to be another clue right here. Let's see here. Man, I'm going to skip it and come back to it. I'm stuck. Okay, here we've got a couple things going on. We've got a tangent line. So that makes this whole thing right here 90. Now this is going to be 33. X is going to be 33 degrees, I'm sure. Because this is a right triangle, so that's going to be 90 degrees right there. Let's see here. So if that's 90 and this is 33, then this part right here is going to be 57, right? Because 57 plus 33 makes 90. All right, so I'm thinking this is going to be 33 too. Let's get into that in just a second, though. Oh, let's see. So from here to here is 90. That's a 90-degree angle. This is 33. I'm pretty sure. But hold on. Let's see why. Okay. First of all, let's look at this triangle right here with Y and Z in it. That is an isosceles triangle for sure. So Y is 57 degrees. 57 plus 57. Ooh, what is that? 114. 180 minus 114. 67. So 67. Is that right? 66. Duh. And I don't know if you guys ever have these kinds of days. I'm a little agitated right now, and I'm not really sure why. And sometimes if I'm agitated, I don't go as slowly as I should. That's frustrating. All right, so this is 180 together, right? So that makes this 180 minus 66, right? 180. So that's going to be 180 minus 66, which is going to be basically what these two are, 114 right here. So then this angle, check this out. This angle right here is going to be 180 minus 33 minus 44. Minus 147, so that's going to be so that's 33 right here. Well, duh, I knew that anyway. I knew that was 33 anyway. Here's why I knew that was 33. This is an isosceles triangle as well. Base angles are 33, duh. So then this one's going to be 57. X is 57 because x is this is a tangent line right here, and it's perpendicular to the radius at the point of tangency. So this angle plus this angle are supplementary, so x is 57 degrees. All right. Here, I'm going to zoom in a little bit, see if I can help, see if that will help you guys out a little bit. Okay. Let's do this one right here. Let's do this one. And we'll come back to that one in just a second. Okay. Let's see here. Oh, we got all kinds of stuff going on. Looks like we have a triangle that lies on a chord, so this is 90 for sure, which makes this a 30. Yep. We have a cyclic quadrilateral. Look at this one right here. We have 4 angles. This is 90 because it's lying on a triangle. This one has to add to 90 with that, so it's going to be 32. Okay, but look up here. We have a cyclic quadrilateral. So this is 60. That has to be 120 because opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Now let's take a look at this triangle right here. That's 120, that's 14, that's 134. So if we subtract 180 from that, we get 46. Man, sometimes they fall together really easy like this. And I often find that when that's the case, I am off by like a 10, by a fact, like I'll have subtracted wrong or something, borrowed wrong. And sometimes they're just difficult like this one. Some days this one will be easy and that one will be difficult even if you've already done them before. It's crazy. It's crazy. Okay, let's see. I know that this one's solvable because I did it the other day, and now it's frustrating because I don't remember. But let's go ahead and take a look. So what do we have here? Let's see. We have a central angle. It's 110. Oh, duh. I see it now. I did not see it. Oh, I hate my life. I hate my life. You guys probably saw it already and you're yelling at me. You're probably wondering, what's wrong with my teacher? Why does he not see this? Look at this. Do you see angle Y it goes through this chord right here? Angle X does too. That's a central angle. That means this is inscribed, so Y is 55 degrees. Duh. And so that makes 180 minus 58 plus 55. Right, so that's, what is that, 113, is that right? 113, 180 minus 113 is going to be 67. 67. Man, I think that's right. Hold on, I'm just going to check my math real quick. Yeah, that's right. Man, that's the way it goes. So sometimes you leave it, you come back together, you come back with it, and then you see it. So here was my issue with this one right here. I wasn't making use of all the clues, and there was a clue, this being a central angle right here, and I just wasn't using it. And it does lay on the same chord as this angle Y, so this is inscribed to that central, so this 110 is double of that. Oh man, okay. Now the tricky one, right? Oh, let's do the tricky one right here. So this tricky one is, chord AB, it's 5 centimeters, AOC is 68. Perpendicular, got it. Okay. Let's see, why would it tell us that's perpendicular and it's 4.3? Because I know that chords that are equal distance from the center have the same perpendicular distance, but I don't see another chord that would be 4.3 unless we'll see. Oh yeah. If I drew it, yep, okay, hold on. Sorry, I'm thinking out loud here. DE, from the chord DE to the center is 4.3, the perpendicular distance, 4.3. Find the measure of angle ABC. Well, I just messed this one up. This is in central angle. This is an inscribed angle. You see how they both lie on this chord? This one's going to be half. It's going to be 34 degrees right there. Okay. What is the length of the chord DE? It's going to be 5 centimeters. The reason I know it's 5 centimeters, well, it's marked. Huh. What is the length of chord DE? That's right there. It's already marked. Interesting. So this chord and this chord are the same distance from the center too. What is the perpendicular distance of AB to the center? Yep, it's going to be 4.3. 4.3 centimeters. Because chords that are equal distance from the center, equal length chords are equal distance from the center. That's the way it is. Yep. So anyway, there we go. Some of these are tricky, some of them are easy. Sometimes they're easy, but you make them tricky. Sometimes they're tricky, you make them easy. Oh man, what a mess.